Okay, you joined engineering, computer science. This is where did you join for engineering?
So I joined engineering in Kolkata, West Bengal. So in EIEM.
So how was that journey?
It was a private college, and in our college, not a great deal of placements were happening. First of all, so I had a mindset from the beginning, because I think many of us, we are in India, Indian parents, everyone since class 8 or 9, we know that we have to crack IIT and engineering is the thing we should go. So everyone tries that, and then most of us land to some private colleges. That happens because the cutoff there of IIT, and not everyone is able to go there. So once I went there, I understood just by I had some discussions with my seniors and all. I got to know that placement is something which is not going to happen for me. So I had a mindset that I have to study here and I have to get placement by my own. From the beginning only, I was into that. I never expected it from them, and so I continued studying. I had my interest in the operating system and those things. I used to study.
You used to study on your own apart from the curriculum?
I used not to go to colleges.
Okay.
I used to go to very rarely some management classes. When you had some attendance issues for some teachers, so you had to go to them. So that's why some scrutiny there with scrutiny, right? So you have to go to them. Otherwise, other people, if they're chill, and we don't need to go to classes. So mainly my teacher were these Saurabh Shukla. In YouTube, you have C, programming with C, and then for operating system, some other videos, gate lectures, and all. Yeah, those things only I studied. Nothing else from college.
But while studying computer science engineering, were you finding it interesting?
Yeah, I used to make projects actually.
Okay.
I used to make good projects. Yeah. So initially I was, as I told, Tony stuff, right? So I used to make robots and all. I till second year I used to participate in robotic competitions. I used to make robots and home automation and all. I was into those things. Then I saw that making robots are quite expensive. So first need to have some money. Then we can go towards that. So then I dropped that idea for some time. Even now I make some robots. I moved my focus more into operating system and algorithm, the core branches which helps actually in placement and all.
So how did you know that you have to focus on these, you are saying algorithm, this thing? How did you come to know this should be my focus?
I would say that I was not that kind of person, so I didn't have that in touch with seniors. But I used to watch, I used to have that subscription of that magazine channel. My friend used to have it, and we used to see that the latest technologies and all the jobs things. We used to see in internet videos, and we used to see how to get job and all. Anyway, because in the back of mind, we always knew that we had to take it on our own. So the requirements and what people want and all, I also don't know, these were only things which got me to know that I should study algorithm and this, because everyone is now studying computer science, everyone is an engineer. You have to be good in something, because nowadays everyone knows programming. You have to be good in something, at least in data structures. Should be good in that. Otherwise, you can see now 6 or 7 class students are able to write Python programs. So you have to be good in data structures or database, something which is more of industry which demands right now.
So when you started studying, were you finding it interesting, easy, difficult? How was it like?
Algorithm. So for me, when I started studying algorithm, it was very boring, because lots of deep concepts and nothing you can get in one go. You have to study it multiple times to understand, and you have to be focused on that. Because the nature of our mind is that if you don't know something, it won't want it to know. That's how the brain works, according to me. So first of all, you have to have one glance of everything, and then you have to start studying. So that kind of way. Journey is not that easy, but yeah, I had to be focused. I had to put myself continuously. Sometimes I used to make schedule and not follow it for weeks, and then realize, okay, what I'm doing, I'm not following it, and then so I had to again get back to that, and keep my focus there continuously, and that's something I did.
Okay.
Generally what I was facing was, if I'm studying algorithm, I'm just studying algorithm. I don't know the exact path, right? Because my way to study was YouTube. Some YouTube video I saw, so it told that, okay, you should get this thing good, then it will land you there. But then you go to job portal, they will ask, okay, Do you know data analytics? Do you know SQL? Do you know networking? So I was studying algorithm. How would I know that?